So on to part 2 of our adventure with our Ohio friends. We left Door County on Saturday morning, July 1st. And we made our drive north to Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore in Munising, Michigan. It was a short drive, about 3 or 4 hours. And as we got up north, the temperatures rapidly changed. We went from about 90 degrees down to 60 within about 40 minutes and maybe 20 miles of driving. No matter what time of year, especially in, obviously in the summer it's going to be cold, but if you go during the summer, you have to be prepared for the rapid temperature swings. Over the course of this trip, it was high 80s and 90 even during the day, down to 45, 49, 50 at night. We took the Pictured Rocks scenic boat tour, and it was the first time we had done that. We've been to Pictured Rocks before in the fall with Skylar. It was before we did YouTube. Fall colors up there are just amazing. I would probably say that's the best time of year to go up there. And there are just thousands, literally thousands of waterfalls everywhere to go see. All you have to do is open Google Maps, put in waterfall, and it will show you waterfalls everywhere. They also have map guides with waterfalls listed, and you can plan your trip. 12-mile campground is a great campground within the National Lakeshore. It's primitive, and it's right on the shore of Lake Superior. We stayed there several years ago. This time we're at Pictured Rocks RV Park. It's all we could get in with our friends since it was a holiday weekend. So it's not ideal for our setup, but we made it work. We did the boat tour, and everyone's pretty much wearing almost winter gear. It was 50 degrees out on the boat, windy and extremely foggy. We did not get to complete it. They refunded half of our money because of that. You just could not see much with the thick fog rolling in on the lake. But nevertheless, we had a great time, and it kind of gave an eerie, different kind of feeling seeing the lighthouse and other things like that with the fog out.
67, shortly following the Civil War. That dates it as one of the oldest lighthouses still standing on Superior shorelines. Folks who own the summer homes surrounding this lighthouse are responsible for its upkeep and maintenance. See that they built a break wall to stop the shore erosion.
Overall, it was a great trip. We did not do a whole lot of recording where we talked to you guys on camera. We were just enjoying the moments and seeing the scenery. So that's what this video is, and we wanted to share it with you, and we hope you enjoy it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow,
once again,
all that
this
good
is
stuff.
Bridal Veil Falls. Those beavers built that dam around 20 years ago, and it'll usually dry up by the middle of summer. Pretty much directly to our left, currently, you'll be able to see at the top of the cliff the small trickle of water coming down. Actually, if you look to the bottom of the cliff, right near Lake Superior, you'll see that that water is flowing right there. I give it probably another week and a half before it dries up entirely. Probably won't see it for the remainder of the summertime.
It is a beautiful area. Highly recommend to get up there.
Addition for her age. Has a lot to do very little in the past century. Getting up a little bit closer to Grand Island, you can see sure kind of resembles a schoolhouse or a church.
Okay guys, we are back at camp. We've had an adventurous day out today. We got to see several waterfalls, which I'm sure you guys already got to kind of check out. And it's gonna be simple night. It is pastaroni. Yes. And leftover kibasi, mushrooms and onions. That's it. And I still have the 10 million pastries to finish off.
From Door County and from up here. It's ridiculous.
It'll be okay though. It'll be okay.
Not exciting.
You're excited. Listen, it's not tacos.
Yeah, I guess.
We are done.
What are you doing with the chopstick?
That's what I'm using to hold the pan because I couldn't find the other thing.
been a fun day. Started out cold. We're wearing winter hats and jackets on the cruise. Pictured Rocks boat cruise. We only made it halfway because too much fog. Yesterday we left the Jack's Diner we love in Rapid River, and it was 83 degrees. Within 45 minutes it had dropped. Sure, get right in the shot.
Okay.
Your big head. So within 45 minutes it had dropped to 60, and it's been pretty cool up here, but it's nice. Really, it is nice. Obviously we are not camping in anywhere our style, but because this is all that they could find, and it's just an RV park, so that's fine. But it's not. This trip's about being with friends. But we've had a great time exploring.
Do you like the shirts?
The UP. It's probably not in focus. Would you get out of my way?
My coffee pictured
Can't
shirt.
even talk
Got the
on camera. Like, what's the
Pictured
deal?
Rocks.
Can't even talk.
Gotta go.
Your segment's over. See ya. We've been to Pictured Rocks, but it was 3 years ago. It was like before we started the channel. And last time I was here with Skylar, our old husky brown girl. She was in the first 2 YouTube videos before she died. But we're having a great time. Tonight's the last night. 4th of July almost. Is it an old fashioned?
Yeah.
There's Barry.
Is this sourdough? Because we should have made like a communal meal. They
They
ate
don't care about that.
over there.
No, you have to
I
with
dare
4
you.
dice.
Oh yeah.
You have to.
Let me tell you how that works.
$3.50.
Oh, here, I'm gonna try wheel it right here. Watch this. Watch.
Oh, here we go. Watch this. It's your favorite thing. Good Jeep that you pulled it over.
That looks like a mop.
Hey, drunk.
Okay, guys, so we are wrapping up our weekend. We have packed up. We have pasted again. Well, pasted.
Time. Yeah. No. All right. Really?
I say the same
Phil,
thing.
did you get?
I got pasty size.
Phil didn't get pasties, but we got pasties.
Pasties.
So great time in Door County last time, and now the UP. What'd you guys think of both?
I like the
Like
fall.
that?
It's definitely
We'll
come
We'll
back.
be back.
Yes.
Cool, huh?
absolutely.
Yeah, we love it up here.
In
In the fall.
Kind of like our backyard almost. But we had a lot of good times. I love doing the waterfall thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
That was
Waterfalls
neat.
are nice.
And that's like there's like 1,000 of them up here.
Yeah, lots
So it
of
was
them.
a nice 2-day. You can actually grab a brochure, and you can actually, there's quite a few waterfalls that are located right around the RV park / campground that we stayed at.
What did we see? Like six
Six
of
or
them.
seven,
show?
yeah. Yeah.
6 or 7 within an hour.
Within an hour. So that was good, and they were pretty cool. And there's a cute little town, Munising,
Munising, yep.
that's right down there where you can get some wine. There's a little grocery store, coffee shop, as always.
Pasties.
Your
Pasties.
Uper candy bar. You can't forget
Uper,
those.
yeah.
Yeah.
Uper candy
Yeah.
bar.
People
I
are
do
very
go back for
friendly. They
those.
help you out at the stores.
Yes.
Yep.
Very friendly.
So very nice time.
But you guys we're heading south to Wisconsin, and on our way home, they're heading south to the lower Michigan.
Michigan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they'll be heading
Torch
home.
Lake.
So we're gonna see you guys again soon. You guys will see next month. We'll
Yes.
see you guys. We'll see you guys
Soon.
before
Yeah,
sometime
Absolutely.
fall.
Well, remember, it's never goodbye. It's
See
you soon, guys.
There you go, Phil. Now's your chance to do the
Don't
outtake.
do it.
Not that one. No, you're
Oh.
There you
There you
go.
go. That's family.
Look at her. That one, Phil.